really good thing about trials is it's all about newer treatments, newer interventions. So what happens with TeleTrials is that we're investing money into regional areas so that we can employ more staff. We can educate them on how to conduct clinical trials and research. For staff, it means that they get to use cutting-edge treatment and interventions, so that's very exciting for them. And for patients, it's exciting for them to get access to these new treatments and drugs.
So one of WACS's strategic priorities is to address disadvantage and equity of access to care across country. WACS has invested heavily in virtual care services, and that's improved equity of access to care. Because we have that infrastructure across the state now, we are able to move into the leading edge research and innovation.
We saw teletrials as being a really big opportunity for us because in one of our previous trials that we'd done for wound healing, which was a trial of spray on skin, 40% of all eligible participants were made ineligible because they were from rural, remote and regional areas.
The exciting thing for Albany Health Campus as a participant in teletrials is to be able to actually enrol patients in larger multinational, multi-centre trials as a partner. That is an innovation that is usually not offered to country patients. It's also exciting for the campus itself because our staff get to participate in clinical research.
A couple of years ago we got the opportunity to apply for a Medical Research Future Fund to expand what had been happening in Queensland here into WA. The Queensland program started out of the Clinical Oncology Society of Australia, and that really changed access to care in country areas for them.
When I first started in 2017, I was the clinical lead for teleoncology, and then that involved to being the medical oncology director for WA Country Health. One of the proud moments for me was to launch the telechemo service and the telelymphedema service. The evolution of that was to improve access to trials in regional areas, and that was through the TeleTrial project, which I started in 2018, and here we are now launching teletrials.
Wei-Sen has been a big champion for telechemo and really pioneered that service for WACS. And his connections into Fiona Stanley Hospital, his lead as medical oncology here, allowed us to connect with leading research teams. So in this case, we connected the team here at Fiona Stanley Hospital, medical leads here, with podiatry leads in Albany. So it's actually a connection between medical and allied health, which is really great in terms of upskilling our allied health clinicians in the regions.
When you look at patients who come from rural, remote and regional areas, they've got an increased rate of early mortality. Across Australia, the rates of amputation are much higher. So what we're doing is we're both improving our recruitment rates to our trials, but we're also targeting patients who are most at risk of poor outcomes and at the same time allowing equity of access to clinical research.
What the TeleTrials program has allowed us to achieve is the equipment, the resources, the procedures and processes to be able to offer participants from the initial to follow-up visits, all located close to home in their country area, which is a game changer.
Being in the TeleTrials program gives us another avenue where we can kind of work with the Perth team, who is gold standard. At the end of the day, having gold standard care for these patients is my only goal. So we're going to go through the consent process and the welcome to the trial process with the consultant on the other end of the screen. And then they're going to go and have blood tests, go across to the pharmacy, pick up their trial medication, and then they're going to come back here and kind of formally start the trial. So they're going to take their first dose of the medication today, and we can also kind of celebrate the first patient for teletrials.
The trial has already invested in new equipment for Albany Health Campus. We've got an exciting new 3D camera that monitors the progression of wounds in patients with a diabetic foot ulcer, and that's the kind of equipment that Albany Health Campus will see the benefit from long after we've participated in this trial.
It's very heartwarming, the generosity of spirit that patients bring to participation in clinical trials. They are not only keen to help themselves, but they're really keen to give back to other people living with diabetes.
Chap was introduced me to it, asked me if I cared to be involved, and I was keen, because if it all helps in the future, it's a good thing.
Great Southern is really being transformed into a regional hub for clinical service delivery as well as clinical research, and the teletrials program really allows us to plug into a greater network. It's exciting to have the opportunity to consider all of the other trials that we might be able to participate in, particularly oncology trials and all of the exciting new cancer drugs that might be available to patients coming online.
I look back on my journey and my roles to bring care close to home, to see it evolve to this point where the next step of that evolution was to bring research to regional areas and to bring cutting new treatments to regional areas is, for me personally, an exciting moment. I couldn't believe that, I guess 5 years ago, it's got to where it is today, and to have that pilot project up and running is very exciting for me.